All right, let's look at, all right, here's a good one. 4x to the fourth minus 37x squared plus 9 is equal to 0. So we're letting x squared equal p. So I'm going to rewrite this so maybe you can see what's going on here. All right. And square minus 37x squared plus 9 is equal to 0. So as you can see here, this 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, this is just rewritten. Now I go through, substitute this x squared in, put a p in for x squared, so that becomes p squared minus 37p plus 9 is equal to 0. Now, instead of using the quadratic formula, we can factor this. But now I just want you to look at something. 4 times 9 is 36. We know that we're close here to 37. Okay? And we know that 1 times 9 is 9. So, I don't know if you caught all that or not, but that kind of gives us a clue that we can factor this thing. Especially when I said 4 times 9 is 36. That's close to 37, you see. So I'm going to put a 1 here and a 9 here. Because 4 times 9 is 36, and then plus 1 is 37. But if I were to make this a minus, and this a minus right here, you see negative 1 times negative 9 is positive 9. All right. So this is going to work out. So if we can factor these things, it's a whole lot faster than having to complete the square. You know, we can always complete the square, use the quadratic formula. All right, so I'm going to set both these factors equal to 0 and solve for p. So in this particular case, p is 1/4. And then we do the same thing with the other one. And p is equal to 9. But don't forget this up here, right? So we're going to have, just rewrite this as x squared is equal to p. And p happens to be, in this particular case, 1/4, or 4. So then we want to square root both sides, so we end up with x is equal to plus or minus, don't forget the plus or minus, 1/4, and of course that becomes plus or minus a half, right? Square rooting 1 is 1, and square rooting 4 is 2. Alright, so there's two solutions. Now we're going to do the other ones. We have x squared is equal to 9. And we square root both sides. We have plus or minus square root of 9, which is equal to plus or minus 3. So we have now found our solution set. There's 2 solutions and 2 more solutions for 4 solutions. Right. So our solution set is, I'll write it in curly brackets here, we have a 3, a negative 3, a half, and a negative half. Okay, our solution set. Good deal.